I just received my order from CND with their spring 2024 Shellac and Vinylux collections called Across the Maniverse. So in this video, I'm going to swatch the Vinylux shades, which is their long-lasting nail polish. And if you are interested in me swatching the Shellac, which is their gel polish, please let me know in the comment section. I'm also curious how you like my swatch video, because this video was actually quite fun to film, and I'm curious if you would like me to swatch more. Would you watch? Okay, let's look at the colors. The first one is called Chic-A-Delic. It is a soft, cool periwinkle with a hint of magenta shimmer. The polish applied effortless, and it still looked a bit sheer after the second coat, so I added a third coat. So I'm curious, would you consider this a jelly polish because it's kind of sheer, but it builds up? Hazy Games. It's a slate gray purple cream. This one is not chalky, and it's quite sheer on the first coat, but it covers perfectly on the second coat. And because it's a bit sheer, it looks glossy and not chalky. It has more depth. Char-Truth. My goodness, this is tongue twister. Bright yellow with the blue iridescent shimmer. Yellows are difficult to apply, and this one is not an exception, especially when you get a wonky brush. They tend to go on patchy and they pull a bit. If you want this color to cover your nails perfectly, I would suggest applying 3 thinner coats, not super thin, not medium, thinner. 3 thinner coats. 3 thinner coats of Char-Truth.
You had it good the first time.
3 thinner coats of Char-Truth. The brush on this one was wonky, like I mentioned, but the other brushes in the other polishes are pure perfection. Romani-Size is a medium deep smoky mauve with a pink shimmer. So this one was a dream to apply. These type of shimmers are very forgiving. So if you're a beginner, that would be a very good polish to work with. And they cover ridges or imperfections or texture in the nail very well. Daydreaming is described as a peachy orange cream, but I kind of see it more as a terracotta. It was quite creamy and a bit chalky. I would give it 4 out of 5 application wise. Hypocrisy. Medium smoky blue with a subtle gray undertone. So like the Romani-Size, it was a dream to apply, and it's also very forgiving. So I'm very curious what you think about this collection, and these polishes are available at Beyond Polish, and the link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.